Welcome back to the channel. This is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm going to show you how to make an apple pie smoothie. So this is kind of like continuing on, with the fall theme because the weather's getting colder, the leaves are falling, it's like a really pretty time. Although I can tell you that I'm more of a summer person. I mean, I don't mind fall, but I'm definitely more of a summer person. This smoothie has like all the hints of apple pie in it. It's got like hints of cinnamon, it's got the nutmeg, it's got the ginger, it's got like the yumminess of the apple in there, all kind of like combined into one. Plus it has over 27 grams of protein, which is amazing because I'm all about like the high protein recipes. So that's kind of like what today's video is all about. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Lindsay and this is my YouTube channel. It is Fit and Fabulous and I make videos like this every single week. I make videos on weight loss, I do delicious recipes, I do fun reviews. I do lots of really fun things on this channel, so be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notifications so you guys never miss a video like this in the future. Plus, if you guys do like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Ding! And that way I know to make more videos like this in the future. And one last thing, if you guys find me on Instagram, if you make any of my recipes here on my YouTube channel, be sure to tag me and I'll totally put you in one of my stories and give you a shout out because I totally appreciate every single one of you. If you guys are a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you. I just love every single one of you guys so much. So if you guys are ready to make a uber good, delicious apple pie smoothie, then let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a blender cup, and then we are going to be using frozen cubes of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. So of course I just put these in the freezer the night before, so this is about a half a cup, so it makes about 4 cubes. So we're just going to add those to the blender cup. Then we need a medium apple, so of course you want to peel the apple and then you want to slice it like that. Do you like my magic trick? That was nice, wasn't it? So we're just going to add those to our blender cup as well. Next, we're going to be using some liquid unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Now you guys can use almond milk. I mean, I like to use it just because I do like the taste of it, but you can use regular milk if you want or whatever you like to use on a regular basis. So we're going to be adding in a half a cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Next, we're going to be adding in some protein. So this is some level 1 protein by Phorm. Now this is the vanilla ice cream flavor and it is delicious. It is really good. It's got 5 grams of BCAAs per scoop, and 1 scoop has 150 calories and 24 grams of protein, which is amazing. Now, if you guys don't have the level 1 vanilla ice cream protein, that's okay, just as long as you use like some sort of vanilla protein powder that you do like to use on a regular basis. So in this recipe, we are going to be using 1 scoop of the level 1 protein. Next, we're going to be adding some oats to our recipe. So this is just some quick oats that I had in my cupboard. Now, I like to use quick oats just because it blends up so much easier in smoothies. I mean, if you have other oats, it's okay. It just might not blend up as well. So in this recipe, we are going to be using a 1/4 cup. Next, we're going to be adding in some spices. So we're going to start with some ground cinnamon. So we are going to be using 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we're going to be adding in some nutmeg. Now, I add in about like 1/2 of a teaspoon, which is obviously like 1/16, so it's really just like a little tiny bit. And then we're gonna add in some ginger. So I add about the same amount in, so like 1/16, so like 1/8 of a teaspoon, if that makes sense. So next we're just gonna sweeten it up just a little bit. So we're just gonna add some liquid stevia into it. Now I just got this bottle at my local grocery store. I like to use stevia obviously because it's natural, it has 0 calories. So in this recipe, I'm gonna be using 4 squirts of the liquid stevia. Then we wanna put the lid on and of course like throw that onto the blender. Well, not literally throw it, but you know what I mean, put it onto the blender. And voila, this is what our apple pie smoothie looks like. It is so creamy and so delicious. Now, I did forget to mention that if you guys did want to add a little bit more protein, you can totally add some like liquid egg whites if you wanted. Just make sure that they're pasteurized, and you only really need like about 1/4 cup. Now, it doesn't change the flavor or anything. It just literally just adds a little bit of protein. But I mean, it's completely up to you. I just didn't use them in this recipe just because I just want to show you guys that you don't have to use them in every single recipe. Next, we're just gonna top it with a little bit of whipped cream. So this is just some coconut whipped cream because I just love using this stuff. It's just so tasty. And then we're gonna top it with a little bit of cinnamon. And voila, that is our little cup of yumminess right there. So I hope you ladies enjoyed that video. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments section down below. Let me know if you guys are interested in trying this, or if you have any new ideas for any new recipes. I know last week I put out like a pumpkin spice smoothie. I've done like so many different smoothies, and I have so many more ideas for so many smoothies. It's crazy. Like I just keep coming up with like new ones all the time. So again, if you guys have any questions, any comments, anything like that, let me know in the comment section down below. Just want to tell you guys, I just love you guys. You guys are all amazing. And I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will talk to you later. Love you.